Well, I gotta see what these cars are doing. Otherwise, I'm gonna back up.
Where's that light shining? Oh, we're gonna back up and turn around instead? Okay. I'm just not sure if the inside up here, but... A helicopter? What's that sound?
Car.
Sounds like a snowmobile. When we saw that snowmobile, was it when this train was coming?
No. Oh, yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Did the snowmobile, was he by the tracks?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, he went over the track.
This the end?
No.
What? Nope. I can't. Is that the end?
That's the end.
What?
That's the end.
There's a blink. There's the end right there, guys. Is that the end of it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are we gonna take Waynesburg or Allen?
I will take range.
Alright guys, bye. Kimball Township, Michigan.